National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, eastern Green Lake County in south central Wisconsin, Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:30 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Rush Lake to 7 miles northeast of Waterloo, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fond du Lac, West Bend, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Walpen, Ripon, Jackson, Berlin, Mayville, Slinger, North Fond du Lac, Kewaskum, Horicon, Juneau, Germantown, Lomira, Campbellsport, Markesan, and Theresa. Other landmarks included are the following location: Horicon Marsh. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until